Welcome to a new video tutorial on how we should change the ring of your car. My name is Angel Alejandro Batumay. There are some steps that must be followed to change the tire of your car, and this video will explain them. The first thing we must do is verify that the car is on flat surface to be able to do the mechanical work to avoid accidents when leaving the vehicle. As told, we are going to need a crosshead, a tube or handle to open it easily, and jack to lift it. The next step is to move to lose the stud one by one. It, it is important to only loosen them and not to remove them until the vehicle is lifted. An important point is to put the handbrake on vehicle speed to prevent it from slipping. The third step is to put the jack under the car and we must place it in the chassis or a metal part resistant to avoid accidents. For security measures, it is advisable to use the tower. This helps greater security to the user. Once the car we have worked for what footwear, we continue to remove the loosened stud, remove the forward stud, and remove the flat tire, blow or defective. We put the spare tire and put the stud again, and the lower the jack careful. This should be with caution since in the can fall suddenly. One done with determine the stud which the crosshead and the help of the tube or handle. It is important to apply the necessary force to obtain the signs you can't sweep the stud in the squid too much. These are the steps that must be following to change tire. Well friends, this is all. I hoping this video helps you to change the ring of your vehicle. See you in the next video tutorial.
Hello, what's up? Welcome to a new video, how to change the spark plug of your car. There are some important steps when changing the spark plugs of your car, and in this video we will explain it. As a first step is that we have to disconnect to the negative cable from the battery. Whenever you do a mechanical work to your car, it's important to perform the step. This is to avoid accidents on type of short circuit. Once the battery cable is disconnected, the next step to release the spark plug wire. Always start with the number on wire, which is the comp on the front inside for engine. We must always disconnect one by one. Do not disconnect all at once because then you can get confused and you will not know which spark plug goes to each cable. For the necessary tools, we must use a die of 3/4 extension and 3/4 of the rail. To loosen this against the hands of the clock, which is from right to left, is hold, listens and keys of late. When loosening the spark plug, it is important to grip the research and loosen in your side to avoid any scratch or cut and hurting your hand. It's a very to avoid accidents. Then we loosen the spark plug. The next steps we must follow is that you can buy your spark plugs. Maybe the one that comes with your car parts will do, and your can they are calibrated. To be sure, it's important to check the calibration of your car. Normally, they say into the cal that carries the cheese on a mechanic inches. If this is a metric, it can be a 1.100 millimeters. If you can inches, it can say 400. For this, we're going to need a tool like this. The spark plug gauge, they will check that the spark plug gap in a toilet to your car. Use the measures to adjust a little by little. Once this calibrated, we pull it and we have removed it. We use the cable of the spark plug to insert it. It's important not to hem the bottom part. Side the calibration can be lost. And always even in favor of the clockwise side from left to right. Remember that we negate just must calculate the applying force, since you can damage the spark plug thread. Once finished, connect the spark plug wire again and process it with the second spark plug, which will be made the same step that we was with the spark plug first. Until you reach the fourth, make them one by one. And so is to change the spark plugs of your car. It's not difficult. Just follow the steps as they are. Once finished, you connect the negative battery cable on your car. I hope that this video tutorial helped you. See you next and next video later.